Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are first time watching my channel, remember to click the subscribe button and also the notification bell beside the subscribe button so that each time I upload a new video, you'll be notified. And I would like to say thank you to all my new subscribers. Thank you for watching, and remember to share with your friends my video if you think that they are keen in luxury item and also this type of unboxing video. Okay, today I'm wearing this Moschino tee, and also this track pant is from Moschino as well. Okay, as you guys can see, today unboxing is quite from the heading. Today unboxing, I'm going to do an unboxing on this toilet. This is MS from MS. From MS. Trim the MS. This is the toilet, and I bought this one is 50 ml because I heard quite a lot of people giving good feedback on this toilet, so I decided to go ahead and get one to try it out, and maybe I will share with you guys later on in the future video how I find on this toilet. Is it worth for you guys to buy? Okay, if you guys remember remember from my last video, I do an unboxing on this perfume. This is from JEANPAULGAULTIER. This is JPG. This perfume EDP. The packaging is very nice, and I do the unboxing and share with you guys. And today, you guys can see I have used quite a fair amount of the perfume, so I can share with you guys whether is it worth or not to get this perfume. So stay on the video for my review on it. Okay, firstly I must say this perfume JPG, this one, the packaging is, I must say, is very nice, fantastic. It's really very beautiful. It's like in a can. Then you open up and it's the perfume. This is the JEANPAULGAULTIER LEMALE. Actually this is like been around for a very long time ago, but they keep on reformulate each time they relaunch it, and they also come out with other different like the other one is that's in green in color, that's the latest one, but this one I bought is EDP LEMALE. Okay, as I mentioned, this one is really very nice. Okay, when I bought this perfume, I would say I am attracted to the packaging, as well as I first tried. I must say the smell really, I was very attracted to it. That's why I got it. But is it worth it for you to buy? Okay, I would say this perfume, I would say if let's say you have extra cash, you can get it, or else you really like the packaging, the packaging, then you also can get it. But I must be very frank, because to share with my viewers how I find it, because as I mentioned before, if you sometimes you dress very nice with a nice clothes, bag, and also shoe, but you need to smell good as well to make it a full package. But for this perfume, I would say the smell when you first spray on it is really very nice. But the longevity of this perfume is not lasting. I would say it will slowly, the scent will slowly went off around 3-4 hours later. But so if you guys don't mind that you keep on spraying, then you can get this perfume. It's really good. But if you just want to spray the perfume and then you went out and you don't want to carry any small atomizer, so I would not recommend you. But I would say the smell is really good, but the longevity is not really that long. So I would not really recommend you to get this perfume. But unless you really don't mind to respray or you like the packaging. So this is my true review on this, because as I mentioned, these are not sponsored video. So to me is I just get the thing and I want to share my true opinion to you guys, my viewers. Yeah. Okay. So now let's move on to today's unboxing. As I mentioned, I heard a lot of comment and also feedback good about this Hermes, Trim the Hermes toilet. So I got this one is toilet. This is perfume. Perfume normally, as I'm not a YouTuber on perfume, but then normally EDP will last longer than toilet. So, but this one I bought the toilet first to try it on. So, and I will share with you my review in the next following video after I really test it out like this JPG. But today I will just share with you the unboxing. Yeah, to show you how it look like. Okay, so this is how it look like before I open the package. Yeah. So this one they just is a standard packaging on the Hermes. Yeah. Okay, so let's start with the unboxing. Okay. Okay. As I know that this one, they come in toilet, they also come in EDP, and they even come with pure parfum that is very high condense of the perfume oil. Yeah, but this is the lightest. This is so-called the toilet. Yeah, but I will just try this out first to see how is it like. So, okay, so this is how the packaging look like. Okay. Ooh. J is very nice. Yeah, okay. So you guys can see this one. Yeah. Okay, so basically this one, you just have to, this one is, they do not have come with a cap for this toilet, MS toilet, this one. So you just a twist, you turn the twist down and you can just spray on it. Or else, yeah, there isn't any cap, and you just close, you just push up as I show it here. You can just, if you want to just spray, just turn it down. If not, you just turn it up. Okay, so basically, yeah, this is how it look like. This is just a 50 ml. Okay, so basically the packaging, I would say, okay, not bad. Okay, yeah, and actually below there is a H below. Yeah, I can see it's a H below. You can see it's the MS, just like orange. Yeah, so, yes, I show you nearer. Yeah, so this is how it look like. And the cap, you just have to twist it out and you can spray it on. Yeah, if not, you guys just turn up to close it. Yeah. Okay, so this is how it look like. This is the 50 ml toilet, Trim the Hermes, and the bottom of the bottle is like a HMS. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, and this is the box. Okay. Thank you guys for watching my video. Yeah, and I shall review after, as I mentioned, after I use this, I will share with you guys what is my true review on this toilet. Yeah, so thank you for watching, and hope you guys like my video, and remember to click the like button if you like my video, so I will be motivated to share with you guys more video. Yeah, thank you. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.